Zeze and her father loved flying model airplanes. For them, it wasn't just a hobby but also a special time, where they bonded with each other. Over time, her father had taught Zeze how to build model airplanes. Every evening, they would go to their workshop together, excited to build a new plane. While Zeze chose the colors, her father taught her how to make the wings. During this time, her father would often advise her, saying, "Patience and attention to detail are the keys to accomplishing anything." Zeze learned these lessons firsthand as they worked together. Once they finished their model planes, they would head to the park to fly them. One day, they decided to enter a big model airplane competition. They began building a special plane together. This plane was made of wood and crafted with love. On the day of the competition, they flew their plane in front of the whole town. As the plane soared through the sky, Zeze and her father smiled at each other. When the results were announced, they were incredibly excited and happy because they had won the competition. But for them, winning wasn't just about receiving a prize. It was about proving the importance of working together, spending time with each other, patience, and imagination. Every time Zeze and her father flew a model airplane, they grew closer and created some of the most beautiful and special memories of their lives.